If you have a phone and you're not making money with AI yet, you're missing out. Let me show you 3 AI tools that can start paying you today, even if you're a beginner. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that can actually pay you, even if you have zero experience. And the best part? You can start with just your phone or laptop. Let's get into it. Number 1, ChatGPT. This is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start making money online. With ChatGPT, you can offer simple services like writing blog posts, creating YouTube scripts, generating social media captions, even replying to emails for businesses. Here's how you make money. Go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer services like I will write high-quality articles or I will create engaging YouTube scripts. Then use ChatGPT to do the work faster and better. People are already making money doing this, and you don't need to be an expert writer. Number 2, Canva AI. Canva is not just for design anymore. It now has AI features that can help you create logos, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, business flyers. Here's the opportunity. Many small businesses need designs but don't know how to create them. You can use Canva AI to design for them and charge money. For example, a simple logo can sell for $5 to $50. A YouTube thumbnail can sell for $3 to $20 if you stay consistent. This can turn into a steady income. Number 3, Pictory AI. This tool helps you turn text into videos automatically. This is perfect if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel or offer video creation services. Here's how beginners make money with it. You take a script, maybe from ChatGPT, and turn it into a full video using Pictory. Then you can upload it to YouTube and monetize or sell the video creation service to clients. A lot of people are looking for short videos for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. You can create these videos in minutes and get paid. Final thoughts. So those are 3 AI tools that can actually pay beginners. ChatGPT for writing, Canva AI for design, Pictory AI for video creation. The truth is, these tools are simple, but they work. The only difference between people making money and those who are not is action. Pick one tool, focus on it, and start today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money with AI. And I'll see you in the next video.